Hershko International Biochemistry Award. This is biochemistry. And then who deserves this, who deserves this? Has to be a biochemistry, could be a doctor, could be a biochemical. Well, normally doctors come from biochemistry. And also developing new techniques. Osamu Kimura. Is he here? I thought they were sleeping also.
Thank you, Dr. Florian, and it's a big surprise to me, and maybe most of you don't know, yes, for about 5 years or so, I devoted myself to treat patients in front of me, so I've never dreamt this are wonderful, great things happening to me tonight, and yes, all I can say is just thank you, Dr. Florian, and it's a great honor to me to have this the award in front of so distinguished guests. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So you deserve it, and that's a certificate, and this is the award, the name, every award is different. This is wait, I have a picture for the director. Yeah, you keep it like this. Congrats.